Hi, you guys, it's me again. So, anyway, I want to show you something that I did on a budget that is very economical. So, if you are trying to decorate your table, I want to show you a way that you can do it very inexpensively but tastefully. These are the things that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I think it just went so perfect with this country cottage design. So, excuse my dogs in the background, but anyway, as you can see, it has beautiful lettering on these. These were only $1. So I got all of these. And if you know anything about Dollar Tree, you have to grab things while you can because once they go out of season, you will not see them again. They change things up often. So I got all of these. And I even got bowls. And then I got the serving trays here. And then I did something extra special. And I also went and I purchased these baskets. And these baskets are gonna go in that curio cabinet there. So I am still working on this tablescape. So keep watching. More video footage coming right up here, and I'm going to show you my table. So this is what I did with that pop of color. I added the blue, and that makes things just look so much more polished and together. So yeah, that blue really changed things, I think, for this tablescape. So I am so excited.